Every time we leave our home, whether it's to head to the grocery store, a day trip, there's always a mundane list of things that we kind of take for granted, or they're autopilot or robotic. Simple things like put on your pants, your shoes, grab your wallet, your keys, sunglasses. The same thing applies when I'm hiking to waterfalls, although the list might be a little longer. It includes such things as my camera gear, hiking gear, bug spray, getting my directions, put in my GPS. I've taken for granted how easy it is to get directions to these places in the digital age, and I've basically become lazy and relying on technology that a GPS coordinate is gonna take me exactly where I wanna be. And so far, up until my last hike, that's basically been the case. So that brings me here. I'm back on my return trip to the Brook Falls. I've since then had somebody reach out to me with better directions, hopefully, to the Brook Falls. I did, however, not really count on there being so much snow out here. So I'm just kind of walking along a new area, listening to the river, hoping that any moment I'm going to figure out where this is. Before I pulled over the car, I did see some blue flagging tape on a tree branch, and I'm going to check along there. It looked like too dense of forest coverage for me to fly the drone, but I still might do that. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Jeremy. This is my channel, Jeremy of New Scotland. If you're into waterfalls or Nova Scotia content, drone footage, the occasional review, this might be the type of channel for you. You can subscribe on YouTube if you feel so inclined. All right, here's the flagging tape. I'm gonna find a spot. This is what I'm up against. I'm probably gonna get wet, but I'm gonna find a spot. Looks like somebody else did the same thing. We're gonna get a little bit snow covered, and fingers crossed this is the spot where the falls are. It's roughly the area where I had marked on my map. It's a big boulder. Ugh. Look at this. Big old boulder. It's pretty cool. All right, let's head down to the river. I don't hear anything, which doesn't really have me hoping for the best. If I don't find these falls today, this is going to be a running joke. There's flagging tape on a tree at the brook. Not sure what that's all about, but I probably followed this needlessly down to the brook for no freaking reason. All right. So I don't exactly know if that flagging tape on the tree is also what the flagging tape on the street is for. There's definitely no waterfall. I go a little ways on the side of the brook here. I shouldn't have to walk too far before I hear evidence of a waterfall. Right now, I hear a trickle. And it is some rough going. Burning some calories. My intuition, which kind of failed me last time, makes me feel like this way. I think I see a drop. Oh yeah. All right. So that has to be the falls. There's one more barrier. I don't know if I have anywhere to walk. Good news is I found the falls So I think the easiest path for me is actually going to be to hike out of here and back up to the road. Oh. As much as I'm not looking forward to that, but okay, so I came back up to the road, and I'm pretty sure I found the falls from the road. I don't think I'd be able to tell from the drone because it's just ice covered, but I found not so snow covered, but hopefully not too slippery of a spot. Make my way down. That's not bad. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's go take a closer look. Alright, so as you can tell, I made it to the bottom of the falls, and I hiked out just above where you would go in to reach the base of the falls. Hard to tell this snowbank from any other. I'll mark this on the map where the best spot to go in so you can figure out where to park. Again, you can download my GPS track, my trail in the description. Whew. And just to sum it all up, if I had planned a little bit better, I probably would have saved myself a walk in the deep snow again today. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Now there's time to walk back to the car.